Person wey go Harvard University and person wey go University of Mpiawazu, they are not the same. Just like in real estate, land wey get C of O and land wey no get C of O no be the same thing. But does it mean that you shouldn't buy land without C of O? No. Is C of O a must? No. But is C of O important? Yes. Yes. C of O simply means certificate of occupancy. C of O. C of O means certificate of occupancy, and it's a very powerful real estate document. Okay. Now, how do you obtain your C of O or certificate of occupancy? Actually, C of O involves a very rigorous process. Okay. Now, it starts with you actually purchasing your land. You get your land, you get your deed of assignment, you get necessary documentation, and then you proceed to obtain the C of O from the government. The form will tell you the various documents that you need to come with. Then you're going to apply, pay the necessary government fees, and the government will have to publish that particular property on the newspaper for a minimum of 3 weeks or 21 days. This is to notify the public that this particular piece of property belongs to this person, so that if anybody has any interest, they can indicate why the C of O process continues. So after submission of those documents, paying the necessary fees, and all the necessary processes, because government agents will have to come to inspect the land and everything about that land, and this will take probably a minimum of 1.5 or 2 years, 1.5 years or 2 years for you to have your C of O. There are times, there are states where it takes more than that. There are some that can go up to 3 years, depending on the state. By the end of the day, it is important that you get your C of O, because if government needs that particular land, government will have to compensate you before they will take that land from you. But if your land or your property doesn't have C of O, government can take it or demolish it without compensation. That's just the advantage of C of O, certificate of occupancy. But it doesn't mean that every land must have C of O. No. The advantage is that in a situation where government needs your property, because all land belongs to the government. So if they need that particular property for the general good or for common good, they will need to take it from you. But if it has C of O, government will have to compensate you for it. So people, if you want to process your C of O for your land, you can contact the numbers on the screen, and Prof. Rachel will assist you in getting your C of O. But then if you want to buy genuine properties around Nigeria, anywhere, any state, Abuja, Asaba, Enugu, Imo, you want to buy genuine properties, there is still a number on the screen. Chat that number and the Prof. Rachel will assist you acquire genuine properties. Remember I'm myself, Nemeka Anselm, aka Prof. Rachel. We have a mission to help you build a financial legacy leveraging real estate investment. Do you want to see your book? Let's get it for you. Thank you, and God bless you.